It's a kind of magic. It's a kind of magic. A kind of magic.
Well, hi guys, I'm WadaC2 from uklockspot.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking two Papaiz padlocks. Now, Papaiz padlocks are Brazilian and they are quite high security. They've basically got mushroom pins in for pick resistance. This is a Papaiz CR45. Hope you can see that. As I've said before, my autofocus on my camera is abysmal, and I normally have a lamp that sort of shines a bit of light. The bulb's gone, so I'm using a torch. So that's a CR45, did not get a key with that. This little one is a CR20, hope you can see that because I'm trying to angle again at the camera. Do have a working key with this little CR20. The reason I've got these two locks is because two fantastic members on our UK lock sport forum sent me them, knowing that I collect old padlocks, and also for the simple reason I've picked a CR50 a while ago, single pin picked it and also raked it. So a new member, very kind Frank, aka Falcon, sent me this one with a working key. Just after the posting of kind Frank sending me that, Dave, aka Nutter, said he'd send me this one, CR45. So gents, you are absolute diamonds, you really are. So let's have a go at single pin picking this CR45 first. Now the CR50 that I picked before, super light tension on the keyway. I mean really super light. I just had to touch the first pin, get slight movement, touch the second pin a little bit more and tickle over the third pin and it'd open. I did pick it back to front first, but found it easier front to back. This one is a little bit more temperamental but picks nicely. And might I also add, this video is dedicated to somebody, and I will go into that a little bit later. So I'm going to start at the front of this one, like I did with the CR50, again light tension. So if you overdo it with the tension, you overset pins. It's picked. It's gone quicker. But that's the CR45 Papaiz padlock single pin picked. Let's do that one more time, then we'll get on to the CR20. So again, light tension, start on pin 1. Counter rotation, that's picks. So there you go, that's the one without key, that's the Papaiz CR45. Let's pop that to one side, and this little CR20 is so fiddly. As you can imagine, it is that small. That's the working key. I don't think you can see that too well. Show it working in the lock. And again, these, as I say, are meant to be quite high security locks and contain mushroom pins for pick resistance. This also does. You'll see how difficult this is to actually hold. I'm literally having to balance it between my thumb and first finger there. So again, I'm going to start at the front with this one. Try and edge back. And that's picked. Difficult to hold, but it picks open nicely. So that's the Papaiz CR20 and CR45 padlocks, single pin picks. As I said previously, this is a little dedication video to somebody, and that somebody is a fantastic lady over there in the great United States of America by the name of Chris, and it's Mike Oldfast 911's mum. So thank you so much for enjoying my videos, Chris. It's really nice when you hear something like that. So this video is dedicated to you. So this is from Rich Wadassey 2 in the United Kingdom. All the best, and thank you so much for watching and enjoying my videos. I told my little boy Jacob earlier on that I was going to be doing a video and dedicating it to you, my dear, and he said a big hi. Unfortunately he's only 5 and he's in bed, but as you know, you've probably seen his videos also, aka Pick Baby. He loves to get himself on camera. So Chris, I hope you are well, my dear, and thanks for watching my videos. So guys, if you are newbies to lock sport, please come and visit us on www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal. And Chris, all our love to you.